Hi, ma'am. Doon po nagsimula ang lahat. Tapos, naging pangga. Tapos ngayon, misis ko na.
Crank up the tunes on the stereo, sending good vibes here to Tokyo. It's true, there's no time to wait. Let's go, yeah. So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times.
Mamaya, asawa na kita.
Soaking up the heat in the summer haze, sipping on the good life every day. Slowing down time with you by my side.
That's one. Okay, share. Lady. And Ate Ede. Wow.
So here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times.
Hi, pangga. Excited ka na ba ang kasalan ako? Uy! I hope magustuhan mo itong binigay ko sa iyo. Ito yung dalawang bagay na hindi mawawala sa iyo sa tuwing aalis ka or pasok ko sa work. Lagi mo ako tinitreat like a princess. So ako naman, uy, ang mag-spoiled sa iyo. Deserve mo yan. I love you so much. Pogi! Uy! Pogi!
Let's get wild, let's get together, let's get wild, let's get together, let's get wild, let's get together. Here's to the good times. Cheers to the good life. All we need is a little bit of sunshine and some company to feel alright. Here's to the good times. Here's to the good times. Here's to the good times.
Lahat kaya kong ipaubaya. Ikaw lang hindi. Akin ka lang. With 3 exclamation point.
Ka. So yun, pinaka-inaantay natin tsaka pinagpe-pray natin.
Wipe your tears, take a breath. Lay your head on my chest. Come on, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard
Good husband.
Yung. Sabi yung mother.
Sabi to.
when the waters rise and we face the fire. We'll rest in our foundation, hand in hand, on our knees, nothing between us.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here in the presence of God and before the witnesses present to behold the joining together of Joey and Jemarie. On this day, Joey and Jemarie, on their own free will, decided to give themselves to each other, to share the love that they have for each other, and to start a family of their own for the glory of God, in fulfillment of God's promises to them.
To know. At the end of the day,
Way back 2018, ako yung taong walang direksyon. May mga plano pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Hanggang dumating yung April 2, 2018. Doon ko pala makikilala yung taong kasama kong tatayo ngayon sa harap ng mga taong importante sa buhay namin.
no, you'll never be alone.
which was 7 years ago, God answered my prayer. Ayun yung araw na nakilala ko.
Foundation, hand in hand, on our knees, nothing between us. You, me, and Jesus.
Kaya gusto ko mag-thank ko kay Lord. Kasi sa mga panahon na wala na akong maintindihan sa buhay ko, nakakala ko puro rejection tsaka failures lang yung nangyayari. Redirection pala ng Lord yun sa buhay ko, papunta sa'yo. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa bagong simula. Malayo pa at madami pa tayong pagdadaanan at mga di pagkakaintindihan. Pero alam ko, handang-handa tayo.
Oh, when it's time to say goodbye, we'll rest in our foundation.
I'm so grateful for how God moves in our lives. Pagka, thank you for everything since day one. I promise to support you. I promise to always to listen you and respect your decisions and opinions. Alam mo yan.
Hi, Pangga. Para sa itong gift na to. Ano ba yan? So, lifetime supply. Wow, lifetime supply. So, para pag naamoy ko yan, ikaw agad na maiisip ko kahit nakapikit. I love you. Laban na to. See you later.
Hoping for the day I'll find.
Nakilala po kami April 2018. Yung time na yun is nag-work siya sa St. Peter. Tapos, nung time na yun, namatay po yung lola ko. So, ako yung nag-asikaso, gano'n. Siya yung nandoon. Siya yung nag-asikaso noon. So, doon ko siya na-meet.
Unexpected naman talaga na magkakatuluyan kami. Pero ayun nga, pag yung Lord na rin yung gumawa ng way para sa buhay mo, walang makakapigil naman.
You only feel it once in a lifetime. Feel it once in a lifetime. Don't pass it up when you see it coming. You feel the rush when the wind is running. Feel it once in a lifetime.
I promise to take care of you. Ikaw naman ang aking paglulutuan at pagsisilbihan.
Kaya simula sa araw na to, pinapaubaya ko na sa'yo lahat ng balat ng Chicken Joy. Tiyan ng bangus. Sago sa milk tea. Kahit yung egg yolk ng malasadong sunny side up.
Everything is right, heart and soul. Now we're home, right at home.
Magkaroon siya ng masayang family. At magkaroon kami ng apo agad.
Pakabait ka. Pasaway. Para walang away.
Pasaway.
Yung pala yun, nalaman tuloy akong pasama.
You only feel it once in a lifetime. Feel it once in a lifetime. Don't pass it up when you see it coming. You feel the rush when the wind is running. Feel it.
Kaya Pangga, Mrs. soon to be mommy, lagi mong tatandaan, minamahal kita, mamahalin pa. Hindi tayo palaging okay, pero palagi kitang mahal. I always got your back.
Let God be the center of our marriage. I am so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much, Pangga.
Once in a lifetime. Don't pass it up when you see it coming. You feel the rush when the wind is running.
Joey, you may now kiss your wife.
So sabi nga daw nila, from death certificate to marriage certificate.